Now I'm finna show y'all how to get money. You know what I'm saying? Like you could get rich, become a millionaire, or whatever the case may be. You do this. You know what I'm saying? You do it right though. Don't just do nothing. You know, you gotta give value. You know what I'm saying? You gotta create value for people to want to buy it. You know what I'm saying? So of course it's a product. It's a passive income product. Um, if you make it, you could set it at any price. It don't cost you nothing. It ain't got to cost you no money at all. But if you want to put some money into it, you can. Put it on your own website. If you set it at a high price, you don't need that many people to buy to be a millionaire or 100,000aire. If you put it at a low price, you need more people to buy it, but more people will buy it because it's cheap, it's affordable. But the thing is ebooks, you know what I'm saying? You'll want to get into making ebooks, you know what I'm saying? Valuable ebooks, but you know, don't just, if you ain't got the knowledge, then don't do it. But like this for people that got the knowledge, got information and stuff like that, whether that's spiritual, you know what I'm saying? If you were like a tarot reader and stuff like that, you can make an ebook as a tarot reader. If you're a business person, you're a successful entrepreneur, or you just got knowledge, you got old history, like you got old books and stuff, like your great 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 granddad passed stuff down to you in books and stuff like that, you could resell it in your own ebook, you know what I'm saying? Get that information out and stuff like that and put it on your website and run you up a bag, you know what I'm saying? So don't never say I ain't teach you nothing.